Uh, Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of Concepts of Telecom. Today, we will be discussing events in LTE. Events means the scenarios which occurs and based on which the decisions of handover and salary selection takes place. So, what are different events of LTE? So there are seven events of LTE mainly: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B1, and B2. Right? So we will discuss here which is what event. So what happens that suppose there is a serving cell, right? Suppose this red one is a serving cell, right? So if the signal of this red one, suppose this is the signal, right? It's getting better and better. It's getting better, and suppose this is the threshold. And when this signal crosses this threshold, then event A1 occurs. Crosses means like this value can be set at what threshold we want to set in the network. So when this signal crosses the particular threshold, the set threshold in the network, then event A1 occurs. And suppose it's going up, and suppose this is another threshold, and it crosses this threshold, and suppose when it's coming down, right? While coming down, when it gets worse than this threshold, this TH2, this TH1, if we have named them, then event A2 occurs, right? When the serving cell becomes better than a defined threshold here, then A1 occurs, and after getting after going at its best level, when it degrades and it comes down, then a defined threshold TH2, then A2 occurs, right? This is A2 has occurred when it gets worse than the defined threshold TH2. Now, when the A3 will occur, suppose this is another, this is a neighbor cell, right? This is a signal of neighbor cell. It's getting better, and the signal of serving cell is getting worse. So here, when it comes, when the signal of neighbor cell gets just better, there is a defined offset as well. So when the signal of neighbor cell, this is neighbor cell, right? And this is serving cell, right? When the signal of neighbor cell gets better than the defined offset, then event A3 occurs, right? Event A3 occurs when the signal of neighbor cell gets better than the serving cell with an offset, right? Now, this neighbor cell, suppose it's getting better, and when it gets better, then another threshold is defined here. This we can say TH3, right? Threshold 3. When the signal of neighbor cell gets a defined better than a defined threshold, then event A4, occurs, right? Okay. Now, when A5 will occur, A5 will occur when the signal of neighbor cell is better than a defined threshold and the signal of serving cell gets worse than a defined threshold. Suppose this is the threshold defined for A5 threshold. Suppose this is threshold 4. So if the serving cell gets worse than a defined threshold, so combining these, when these both these both events, these both parameters are met, then the serving cell becomes worse than a defined threshold, and neighbor cell, that is blue, defined in blue, gets better than a defined threshold, then event A5 occurs. A5, right? Now, when the B1 will occur, B1 will occur when, so this is the condition, these red and blue cell are intra red, right? both are LTE cells. Both are LTE cells, right? And when B1 and B2 are for internet means GSM or UMTS 3G. So suppose when the B1 will occur, suppose we are denoting B1 with yellow, right? So if internet cell, right, gets better than a defined threshold, then another threshold is defined here. Suppose this is TH5. Then if the internet cell gets better than a defined threshold, then B1 occurs, right? So B1 is, we can say, is equivalent to what? A4. B1 is equivalent to A4 because the difference is only in B1 inter-red cell becomes better than a defined threshold, and in A4 intra-red cell gets better than the defined threshold, right? Then when the B2 will occur, B2 will occur when suppose this in inter-red cell that is denoted by yellow is better than a defined threshold, and this serving cell means this cell is, right, it's getting we can say worse, right? Suppose we take this one, right, or we can denote it with the same th4, right? So when these two conditions are met, right, then b2 then b2 will occur, right, in this case. So when the inter-red cell that is denoted by yellow gets better than a defined threshold and the serving cell gets worse than a defined threshold, when these both conditions are met, then event b2 is occur, right? So this is the short summary of 7 events. That's all for today. Thank you.